Good evening. I've often heard the term in sports that winning cures all, and it's a statement that seems to prove true more often than not. But the pressure reaching Manchester United manager Jose Mourinho in recent weeks has made me start to look deeper into that statement. Mourinho himself has been at pains to point out just how much he's won in his time as a manager across the top leagues in the world. But the fact that a manager who has won so much has constantly had to remind people of just how successful he is points to another concept. For some, it's not only just about winning, but also about how you win. Since arriving at United, Mourinho has won a couple of titles in his first couple of years, despite failing to win the ultimate crown, the Premier League title. But some fans aren't only upset that he hasn't won the league title, but they're also dissatisfied with the style of play which has often characterized his managerial career, a style which lacks the flair and adventure of Manchester United teams of old. And I believe that is what has made Mourinho so uncomfortable. This is a man who has built his career on the ends justifying the means, where the style of play is secondary to getting the desired result. It has brought him great success, but this is one of those rare occurrences for him, where it seems even winning won't make all his critics disappear, and that perhaps is his biggest fear. This, I believe, is a phenomenon which transcends sports, though it's somewhat paradoxical. In theory, winning should be the only thing that matters, but fans are strange people. They get spoiled easily, and once they get used to winning a certain way, they sometimes forget the value of winning. And it's fans who pay their money to come through the turnstiles that makes sports such big money business, and sometimes for them, just merely winning isn't enough. I'm Jordan Fort. Good evening.